Welcome to this presentation of the iBintegrator. Let's start the program first to see. This is a utility to join or combine data from different sources into a file or table. So let's create one new tab. And within a tab you can produce one file or one new table. Let's do this one. We call this one country because we will work with a file containing data about countries. First of all, we need an input object. We can have one or more input objects within one tab to read from one or more data sources. We will do this very simple as the first step. We will read from an SQL database. We have to give the name of the server. We give the initial catalog. We use the user SA. So like that, and you have to write an SQL statement and to select the data. Select store from the table test. Refresh, and we see that we have one small table here with some information about different countries. Then we have several objects that can be used to handle this data. Let's do a sort, for example. We will sort it by the field population, and we will have it descending like this. Then we can use other things here. We can have a calculated field. We can have filter to filter data from the different sources here. We can have a lookup or a join of different tables. And of course we have the output object. So we take the output object and we will do it like this. And the output object, that should be a text file for this little t, and we put it into the file main e country test.csv, and that's all. Of course we can do it more complicated. We can add as many input objects as we want and join them together via different criteria. Before compiling the project, let's just look at the properties of the project. The directory should be e/, the name of it should be country test. Like that. And as you can see here, we can add global variables and subroutines to the project. We have to look at that later on. But let's see, now that we have specified the output file, we have given the input file, we have a sort here, then we try to compile the project. And what will happen now is that a stand-alone exe program will be created. It can run in any .NET environment. Let's test the program immediately. like this. We see that it's output 3 records read. Okay, so let's see if we can find the file then. It should be called E, and it should be named country test, like this. And here we see that we have produced a text file from the data we selected. This was a very simple project. It can easily be added more input data to it and other calculation rules. Thank you for your attention.